Sam Care here. Today we're gonna do something special, a little bit different. We're gonna do a comprehensive review of the Sunjoe 10-inch 2.5 amp electric grass trimmer. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and give my dad a thumbs up. Can you sing that? All right, let's get to opening this. All right, look at this. We got your back. Call us. That's thoughtful. So here we go. Looks like it's in parts. 3 parts. Oh boy, look at that. Great, we don't need that. So we just screw that in right there. This is right yonder. Too stupid to figure this out. Use the correct extension cord. We do have an extension cord here because it is electric. I wouldn't like to put down my gas trimmer, but if it was for Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, am I for the green deal? I'll let you be the decipherer of that. Okay, so strange here is that these things here are tied. I'm not sure, maybe I should take this. Okay, here. Let's just pull this on out here. Sunjoe, electric grass trimmer, important safety instructions, blah, blah, blah. Importante, consigne de securite. I don't understand that. Importante, instrucciones de seguridad, todos los aparatos. Oh, I see right here. Basically, this is important. This here, that's the mango. We're just gonna plug it in and give it a go. See what we can make of it. It is available in the description below. The link that is. Being responsible is responsible. Now, just as I told you in the trimming videos, it's easier to do it backwards, so we're gonna try it backwards. This thing is piss freaking poor. Maybe we can do a little bit better. Next thing we're gonna test is we're gonna test the Imagine. We're gonna see if we can put a nice. Hey, how you doing? Like turkey sandwiches, cheddar cheese, mayo. You like honey mustard?
Oh yeah.
Honey mustard as well. What kind of bread do you have?
Serious?
Look at that. Didn't even cut the cord.
Look at that. It didn't even cut the cord.
Get inside.
That's
Get inside!
That's my,
Get!
I'm going.
Golly. Damn car's passing. The trimming wasn't that great. We're gonna give this a go on how well it does on the edge. If it does edges well, that'll be alright. It does trimming bad and edging bad, I'm gonna have to give it only 2 stars out of 7 stars. But we'll give it a go. Now, I'm not entirely certain whether or not this
It's smoking.
something's burning inside here. It's pretty hot. I think maybe it's best we let it cool down for a minute. We're gonna put some steel 2.4 millimeter string on there, 0.095 for those people across the lake. I think that's metric. I'm not certain. Get this cheapo string out of here. You would think that they'd send the best string, you know? This is really freaking difficult. Oh yeah! There we go. There it is. All right, you know what? How about you give it a go, Thomas?
All right.
You gonna give it a go?
Yeah, let's
All
get.
right. Hey now. Hey.
Hell yeah, it's coming pretty good.
I know, right? It was that string, wasn't it?
It was that string.
All right, this thing is actually not doing half bad. The only problem is that this trigger right here, it hurts my thumb. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna tie this here, make this thing get up and go. Sun Joe Hacks by Samcare. Now I don't have to pull the trigger. Look at that. Well, I'd say overall that this was a pretty alright purchase. I don't think that $17 should do so well, but it did. It certainly did what I expected it to do, and that is to edge, to trim, and to get that grass from long to short. Overall, I give this a 5 out of 7 stars. I think it'd make a great gift for a grandmother or grandfather or a mother. Tell her Happy Mother's Day and hand her one of these. But don't forget, be sure to taste this so that when she plugs it in, she gets a little bit of a scare. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe, comment your favorite trimmer below, hit the like button, and tell your friends about me. If you ain't got friends to tell, it's probably because you still use the damn guard. Let's do one more take for the hell of it.
Are you selling those?
If people buy them, then yeah. You don't think people are gonna buy these?
How much are they?
$18.
And I'm sure they're worth every penny of it.